Alright, this is going to be a short video, and I'm looking for opinions on what to do with these two bags. One, I have stuff with plastic, so you can see that it opens up a little bit. These are made for cigarette butts, as it states here, but I could put a label over the top of that. So this is how far it opens up. A little bit on the bottom. It does have a zip on it, so it can be changed. It is mylar. So I'm just looking for ideas to use these bags in. I have a few of them. I only brought two as an example, but this is what it is. It's about as big as my hand or so. And like I said, it's made for putting cigarette butts in, but it does open up a bit. So I'm looking to figure out what I could put in here for like a kit or prepping, survival, bushcraft, anything like that. I'm trying to use them up for something else because I don't smoke, but they're mylar bags, and I was thinking I could probably use them anyways. So now that we're long enough out there, this is what I'm looking for, is the ideas to put them to good use. Thank you, and I look forward to your comments below.